update video. I want to give you an idea what we done this week. You see there's a little bit of snow. Let me you can see here we got all the tile in the entryway. Kind of did the staggered tile, looks really good. All this stuff's been ripped out. You see all the drywall's been repaired. They're going to start painting tomorrow. So here's also all the kitchen tile, all the drywall and wallpaper, all that's been taken care of. Kind of roughed it all out and they want to paint it, get all the tile in, then we'll start finishing it up. And then all that's been ripped out, all the shelving. It's going here. And all the tiles been put in here. It's looking great. It's all the repair. Same thing in here, all the drywall repair. They got some dryers going, so get all this dry. We did all this. We did all this. All this has been roughed out, repaired. They're going to start. They said they're going to start painting it tomorrow. Inside, they even got inside the. Takes a lot of time to prep to paint, so. We get all that taken care of. And you see in here, we got all this roughed out, ready to go. That's going to come out, but they're going to start spray painting. All the tiles are done. It's all been roughed out. So again, I'll get you a new update next week. But, it should be all painted and everything. And oh, we got this all tiled too, the laundry room. So again, it's coming along real good. Just prepping it, getting the hard work done first, and we can finish it out. Again, this is Brett. Give me a call if you want to live in Strongsville, 216-703-5740, 216-703-5740. Thanks, and I look forward to talking to you. This is Brett with Howard Hanna. Thanks.